Hello! In this video, we'll show you how to replace the rear brake pads on a 6th generation Volkswagen Golf with a 1.6 TDI diesel engine, model year 2012. This procedure also applies to other Golf 6 models with a similar braking system. Before you begin, make sure you have all the necessary tools and replacement parts. Tools and materials you'll need: a jack and jack stands, a wheel wrench, a socket wrench set, 13mm and 15mm, a brake caliper windback tool, or a flathead screwdriver and clamp. New rear brake pads. Before purchasing the pads, check your vehicle's VIN to get the correct part number. You'll also need copper or ceramic grease, safety gloves, and protective eyewear. Step 1. Preparing the vehicle. Loosen the rear wheel bolts. Lift the car using the jack and secure it with jack stands. Remove the wheel to access the rear brake caliper. Step 2. Removing the caliper. Using a 13mm wrench, loosen the caliper guide bolts. Hold the lock nut on the back with a 15mm wrench. Carefully remove the caliper and hang it using a hook or wire to avoid stressing the brake hose. Take out the old brake pads. Step 3. Preparing for installation. Inspect the brake disc. Replace it if necessary. Clean the caliper and guide pins from dust and rust. Apply a thin layer of brake grease to the guide pins and contact points for the new pads. Retract the caliper piston using a special windback tool. Note, on the Golf 6, the piston uses a threaded mechanism. Turn it clockwise. Step 4. Installing the new brake pads. Insert the new brake pads into place. Reinstall the caliper onto the guide pins. Tighten the bolts to the correct torque, approximately 35 to 40 Newton meters. Mount the wheel back on and tighten the bolts. Step 5. Final steps. Lower the vehicle. Before driving, pump the brake pedal several times to ensure the pistons are properly seated. Check the brake fluid level, top it up if necessary. The brake pad replacement is now complete. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment telling us which car you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching and drive safely.